Assemble the motor winding into the rotor housing. Assemble the bearing ring into the rotor. Assemble the first bearing into the rotor. Assemble the second bearing into the rotor. Assemble the rotor into the front cover. Assemble the front cover into the rotor housing. Assemble the end bell into rotor housing. Assemble the cooling fan into rotor housing. Assemble the encoder into rotor housing. Assemble the cooling fan cover into rotor housing. Assemble the screws into the front cover. Congratulations!